Hello, this is Online Q's, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to delete YouTube-liked videos all at once. First of all, launch YouTube app on your mobile. Tap on your profile picture on the top right-hand side. Then tap on Settings. Select Manage All History. Tap on Interactions tab where you can see all your video likes and dislikes, comments and replies. Select Video Likes and Dislikes. Here you can see all the videos and shorts that you have liked chronologically. Just go ahead and tap on wrong icon to delete your activity and your thumbs up from that video or short. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.